Hi everyone, good morning everybody. This is Hanuman Nayak and welcome to our channel Smart Study. How are you all guys? Yeah, good. Now the extension of the last class, the IIT Mathematics on 6th standard. 6th standard IIT, we will see that. In the last class, we completed the up to 16th question. Question number 16 we completed in the previous class. Now in this class, we will see the next, that is question number 17. Now just read the question number 17 guys. Now question number 17 is if x and y vary directly. So see that this statement x and y vary directly and x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 16. Now see boys and girls here concentrate here, x value how much they are giving, how much they give 18, and respect on that y value how much they gave 6. Now the meaning of the direct vary directly, the meaning of the vary directly, the meaning of the vary directly means that here see the what is the relation between these two numbers. 6 3s are how much guys, 18. If I multiply 6 3 into y term, I am getting that what, x value, yes or no? If I multiply 3 to the y number, I am getting what, x value, means that this is the relation. In this question you have to find that, you have to multiply 3 to y value, you will get x. Now here the question they are asking, the question is what, x is equal to, we have to find y is equal to what, how much they give, 8. How much they give y value, 8. Then they are asking what is the x value. Now we know that relation between x and y, we have to multiply into how much, 3 na, just multiply 3 to get x value. 8 3s are how much, 24. That is your answer. So means that when you are finding the x and y values, you have to see the relation between x and y and just that number multiply to next number, you will get the answer. So in this particular question our answer is 24, that is option number 3 guys. Now you understood this. Now just take the screenshot and go for the next question. Now see the next question is question number 2. Here see that they are given that one statement, x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to c 0. Now see here, this is the important, when you are solving the problem you have to think in 360 degrees. X square minus 2xy plus y square, read again, a square minus 2ab plus b square, means that is what, can I write instead of that statement a minus b whole square, yes or no? Yes, the given question in the form of a minus b whole square, but they are not given directly, they are giving that what, expanded form, that is equal to how much they give, 0. Now from this statement can I send that square to other side, then what happens, 0 power 1 by 2, anything power 0, 0 power anything is also 0. So from this statement can I write a is equal to b guys, yes, very good. Now from this statement can I write a by b is equal to, if is nothing is there, can I write 1? If denominator is nothing is there, can I write 1? That is equal to 1 is to 1 guys, that's the answer. Now check it, our answer 1 is to 1. That's the answer for this particular question. Now the next thing, see that, and once they are completed, just try to take the screenshot and try to write it. Yeah, go for the next question. Question number 19. Question number 19 is if x is to y is equal to 2 is to 1, x is to y. Can I write x is to y is equal to x by y? Yes, very good. That is equal to how much, 2 by 1, yes or no? From this statement can I write x is equal to, this y goes to this side, what happens, into 2 into y by 1, yes or no? That is nothing but 2y, can I write 2y, means that wherever I see that x is x, instead of x can I write 2y, yes. Now go for the question, 3 into x Instead of x, I have to write 2y plus y, bracket, open bracket, is to x plus 3y. X value how much? 2y. Means what I am doing here, I am converting all into one unknown. Either you can convert x into x in terms of y or y in terms of x, but you have to convert all in one form only. Then you can do the cancellation. Now see that here 3 into 2 6, 6y plus y, can I write 7y? Yes. Here 3 into 2 6, 6 into y 6y, 6y plus 1y 7y. East, this is east. 2y plus 3y 5y. Now in the both the cases y is a common, can I cancel it y? Yes. Now your answer is 7 is to 5. Answer is 7 is to y is your answer. 7 is to y is your answer. Did you understood, guys? You have only the one simple thing is what? You have to convert all into one form. That's the first job. And where you are converting, I am converted here x, all x's in terms of y's. Wherever you see that x, instead of x, just write y. Yeah. So after that, just multiply and do the simplification, addition or subtraction. Any operation is there, just finish it. After that, just cancel the same y's. So why I converted means at the end of the session, I have to cancel. If x and y both two unknowns are there, then I won't cancel it. I can't be. So my ultimate target is what? I have to eliminate this unknown. So how to eliminate? This is the procedure. At the end of the session, I eliminated that y's, and my answer is 7 is to 5. Okay, got it? Now take the screenshot and move for the next question. Yes, next question. The question is 20th. The triplicate ratio, I hope you already, everybody knows that. Triplicate means you have to cube it. 6 is to 5 means 6 cube is to 5 cube, and here 6 cube value, 6 into 6 into 6 how much? 216. 5 into 5 into 5 is how much? 125. That's the answer. Your questions are very easy, guys. Don't feel the thing are tough questions. The questions are very easy, but only job is what? Try to concentrate on class and try to solve the more and more problems. Yes, the question number next. See that this is one of the important. In this question, reduce 6 months to 1 year 3 months to simplest form. Here there is a 6 months, guys, and here is a what? 1 year 3 months. Now our job is what? We have to simplest form, right? We have to write in simplest form. If you are getting confusion, what is the there in options? 5 is to 2, 2 is to 3 means that what? You have to write in the east form. So here assume that here. So in the first beginning class only, in the first introduction class, I told to you, when you are writing in the simplest form, your units should be the same. Your units should be the same. Here months, here years and months. So try to write all in months. That is the best. So here I am writing 6 months is to 12, 1 year. Can I write 12 months? Plus 3 months now. This is plus, guys. Don't think is a into 3 months. So here can I write 6 months is to 12 plus 3, 15 months. Now months same, cancel. 3 2s are 3 5s are. Answer is 2 is to 5. Answer is 2 is to 5. That's the answer. Now take the screenshot and try to write the answers for this particular question. Yeah, the next. Then the question number 22. Here this is one of the important question. Here I will tell you that one shortcut trick. A is to B, is equal to 5:7. Yes, 5:7. And B is to C is equal to 6:11. Then they are asking that A is to B is to C is equal to how much? Right? Got it? This is the question. So, how to solve this type of problem? You can solve these problems in many ways, guys. This problem you can solve in the many ways, but out of all the ways, I feel that is a whatever method I selected, that is the best approach to compare to any method. So, first I will tell you in my method only. If you know the any other methods, and at that time you can compare my method to your method, which one is the best for you, you can select that only. So my method is A, B, B, C. Here B should be the repeated number. Yes, this is the second person is repeating in the second part. So here write that just A, B and C. A, B, C. Now I will change the pen. Here A value, this first person value you have to consider 5 and second person value consider second term. That is, here I can write that 5, here is 7. Yes. Now in the second case, B value should be the first person is equal to first person, second person is equal to second person. First person who? B. B value how much? 6. Just write below of this. And who is the second person? C. C value is equal to 11. Yeah, write just equal to this and equal to that. Now after that, next job is yours. You just multiply these two numbers and write it here. 5 into 6, 30 is to, write the symbol is to, okay. And next 6 into 7, 40. 42 is to, next this 77. This is your answer. 30 30 42 77. Where is the option? 30 42 77. This is the option. See guys, what I am did here is important. The model is just first multiply these two, after that these two, like a one pattern. These two, this is belongs to first, this is second, and this is third. So this is my A and B and C. Now I hope you understood this. Then take the screenshot, note it down. The next, go for the second question. The next question is, see, just to check that. Now try to solve this question. A is to B how much? A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. B is to C is equal to 5 is to 6. Okay. Then answer for this question. First what to write? A, write small. They give the smalls now. Small a, small b, small c. Okay, finished. Then next job, a value how much? Sorry, a value how much? 3. B value how much? 4. Yeah, I will change the pen. And here B value how much? 5. C value how much? 6. Answer is, multiply these two, 15 is to, here is to symbol, 20 is to, and 24. But they are not asking A is to B is to C na. They are asking only A is to C. See, just where is that option? Question is A is to C. What is the A value? 15. First one is A and last one is C. This is how much? 24. In 3 table, 3 5s are, 3 7s are, 3 8s are. 5 is to 8 is your answer. Where is the 5 is to 8? Is the option. Okay, got it. Now in this way you have to solve the problems. Go to the next question. A car travels 320 kilometers. Yes, distance kilometers, the units of distance is 320, and time in how much? 5 hours. Yes, 5 hours. 5 hours. Then they are asking speed. Yes, we know that formula for the speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to 320 by 5. Now cancel it that. 5 table, 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. Remains how much? 2. 5 4s are 20. Now this is the speed na? Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour is your answer. That's the answer. Where is that? So here B and 4, these two are same option they gave, but I think they mistake. You can select any one. Now see that question number 25. Question number 25. Yeah, here this question also same. A by B, can I write A is to B? Yes, that is 3 is to 4. And B is to C. B is to C is equal to 5 is to. Can I write like this? 6. Now can you find A is to B is to C? Like a previous question. Yes, you can. This is your homework. Try to find the answer. Yes, and if you like my videos after completion of this, if you like my videos, try to click on like button and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. If you are not, click on bell icon, just click on bell icon. So you will get all my notification when I prepare the videos. When I send that video, you will get. And next thing, share to your friends. Okay, up to that, bye bye, sign off.